Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, ambient lighting. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.